Hey guys, this is Adobe Illustrator tutorial, and in this video we are going to create a social media poster design and our text is random. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is our artboard and the size of that artboard is 1400 by 1400 pixel and I am using Adobe Illustrator software here. Now make the background for it. So I am dragging here a square by pressing shift key and remove the outline color of it and fill here a gray color. So I am using here this yellow color like this. Now take again rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this and change the color of it. So I am choosing here this color. Now take share tool. So this is our share tool and click here and select it. Now take share tool and click here and drag upside by pressing shift key like this. Now select it and select from here direct selection tool. Now touch this point and make it curve a little bit. Now select this point and this point by pressing shift key and drag it little bit and make it curve. Now select this point and this by pressing shift key and drag little bit like this. So this is, and now select it and go to object panel and make offset path of it and start the preview mode of it and increase the size of it little bit. I think it's enough. Now hit OK and change the color of it. So I am choosing here white color. Now decrease the size of it. I think it is looking quite good. Now take again rectangle tool and draw like this and change the color of it. So I'm taking here green color. Now rotate it like this and increase this rectangle from here like this and increase from here and make it settle down a little bit. Now I think it is looking quite good. And now again select it and take direct selection tool. Now select that point and make it curve a little bit. From here also make it curve like this. Now select wall shapes and take shape builder tool and press alt key and delete unnecessary parts. Now put our image. So I have downloaded an image. So this is our image and I am putting that image here. This is our image and make it embed first. Now make it bring to front and put that image here and decrease the opacity of it. So I am making here 76%. Now select that shape and that image. Now make it clipping mask. So I think it is looking quite good. Now select that shape and make it bring forward. I think it is looking quite good. Now we have to put our logo, but we need to change the color of it. So select all shape and click here and here and here also. Now put here some different color like this and here this color and select it and make it bring to front. Now put here some gradient color like this and pick the color for it. From here this red color and from here this orange one. Now make the gradient perfect by gradient tool. So I think it is quite enough. Now decrease the opacity of it like this and change the blending mode also. Now go to select that gradient shape and now press the control key. So now press the control key so you can see that transparency option will give the option of blending mode. so you can select the blending mode options from here. So I am choosing here overlay option. So I think it is looking quite good. Now hit OK. So this is our poster, social media cover and poster. We can say that now we have to put our text. First I want to put the logo of it. So this is our logo. So this logo is in JPEG form. Now we have to change it into PNG form. So first we need to go here, image trace. Now go to expand. Now select that image and make it ungroup and delete that part. And we don't need that part also, so we can delete it. And we don't need that white shape, so we can delete it also. Delete. So this is our logo. Now select that image and make it group. Now change the reflection of it. So I am turning that reflection from here. I think it is looking quite good. Maybe it is looking quite good. And we have to write some random text here. So we can write something like this is an agency of graphic design. So we can put graphic. So this is the logo title and make it, and write here agency and make it small like this. So this is our logo and now we have to put our text. So I'm making that copy and again copy, graphic design, make again copy and agency. Now make it small and design, I think, and make the text of agency is too bigger like this. And draw a line from here to here and increase the stroke of it from here. I think. Now select and make it settle down a little bit. Now I think it is looking quite good. Now we have to put our description here. So for the description we can make the title box here like this and increase the letters of it. I think it is quite good. Now select that letters and delete it. Make it copy and delete that chat box. Now take again that type tool and press here. Now put our tagline here and now delete like this. So maybe this is, we can choose that text as a tagline, so there is no issue. And guys, this is our banner, and if you want to add some kind of informative thing, like if you want to add that phone call icon, then there is no issue, we can add it. Just we have to select it and make it expand, image trace, expand and ungroup. Now delete that and make it group. Now put that thing here here and write a random number. So this is random number, and increase the size of it and put that number here. So this is our manner. So hope you like that video. If you really like that video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.